Thanks for the lift!
Huh? Johnny! Johnny, hurry up!
Adios, everybody!
Come on! We don't have time for chit-chat. We've got to get through this jungle if we're going to find the crystal. Johnny, we're getting nowhere.
Don't worry, Drac. I got you covered.
Huh?
And the final touch. Now you're ready for the great outdoors.
Fine, okay, whatever. Can we please just get going?
Hold up, Drac! You forgot your trunk. Okay, let's find that crystal. Come on, Drac! You're gonna love hiking! Aren't the sounds of nature soothing? Ugh, what is that smell?
Oh, what is that? Oh, it's me!
Drac, chill. You just need a shower.
And where am I going to find a shower in the middle of the jungle?
Huh? Whoa! Woohoo! Hey, I think you might have a pollen allergy.
Nonsense. How am I so wet and yet completely dry? How much farther? Huh? No. We're never going to get there.
Whoa, Drac. Isn't that something?
Water, thank you. I am melting.
Whoa! Hold on, Drac. You gotta be extra careful with strange bodies of water. This one time, my friend Kamachka and I were backpacking in Thailand. Drac? Well, look on the bright side. At least you're not hot anymore. Oh man, why didn't anyone tell me that claws are so awesome? Whoa, being a monster is super weird.
Yeah, but being a human is the worst.
Aw, come on, I wouldn't say that.
Really? Blister, sunburn, and swamp butt aren't the worst. What was that? Yeah! Mosquito!
Vampires of the jungle.
Hey, I resent that. Ow! Ooh. Yeah, they're everywhere. Yay! Johnny, they're all over you.
What? Monster skin. Don't worry, Drac. They can't bite me.